Okay, hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Learning Excel with Miss Noria. In today's tutorial, we are going to continue on how to format tables. Previously, we have seen how to create a table. Today, we will explore more features on formatting a table. So I will select this table that I created previously, then go to here, format as, and choose from either of this. So for example, clicking on this, and as you can see, different coloring and style is applied on this. So as when you're clicking on the format as a table, we have different styles here, shading, color, and so on, and borders even. So, but one thing you need to notice here is after applying this formatting as a table, some buttons started appearing on the headings, which are this ones, okay? So we will see what are the functions of this in the future tutorial. For today, we'll stop here. Thank you for watching.